Hi, this video is how to assemble DJI Ronin SC gimbal with a Sony mirrorless camera. It's not a gimbal balancing video. I will share that soon too. All we need is camera, multi to Sony cable is written on the tag as well. Battery grip, before using the gimbal, charge it. Tripod, gimbal itself, screwdriver or a small coin, 3 screws, spacer, lens slider. Start assembly. Take a battery grip. It has 3x4 thread and 1x4 thread. We are going to fit tripod in a smaller thread. Tight it in and make sure it's all the way tight. Now take a gimbal and slide in. After this, we will lock gimbal like this. First part is done. Now put the gimbal on a side and move to the second part. Now put the camera upside down and we will thread in the spacer. Now put the screw in the spacer. Spacer has two sides. One is the metal and the other one is the rubber side. So rubber side will go on the camera. Now thread in screw with fingers and later on we will use a screwdriver. Make sure it's equal on the both sides. This part has been done. Now move to the slider. Slider has two sides. On one side it's written lens and this side will face toward the lens. Other side has a small round cut from where we thread in our screws. Thread in both of the screws. Once screw is inside properly, it will slide. So make sure screw can slide easily. Now our sliding plate is ready. Next part is to fit it on the spacer. Spacer has two holes for both of the screws. Lens is written on the slider. It will face towards the lens. Thread in both of the screws and push the slider all the way towards the lens. After doing the finger tight, now use a screwdriver to tighten up the screws. Plate is all the way towards the lens. Make sure to set it up in the same way. There is another slider on a gimbal to balance camera. It is very easy to move slider left or right by pressing knob. Now slide in the camera by pressing the knob in. Assembly is done. Soon I will share another video how to balance camera. If you like video, do not forget to like and comment how you end it up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.